Hi guys, this is Michael Harris with AllLifeThings.Harris. I know I hadn't made a video in a while. Well, this is regarding my 2020 J.I. Rocket 50cc moped. As you can see, like I said, I moved in with my mom, so I had an 80cc conversion, I guess you could call it, big bore kit put on here, and it has come loose. The donut screw, or the part that leads to the exhaust valve, in the part where they put the big bore kit up there, it's become extremely loud. It's made the exhaust seem loud. There's no leak as far as I'm concerned. The actual exhaust, like in the back of the side right here of the vehicle, but it's coming from the engine. The bore kit, some of the cogs came loose, and it's just making the exhaust sound very loud, and it's pumping some of the exhaust actually out in the engine, as you can see. And I think they did a fairly sorry job. I hate to give Trendy Motorsports or motorcycle here in Burlington, North Carolina, a bad review, but this cost $351 plus labor, so it ended up costing me $451. And what surprised me, they said they'd be done in 5 days. They were done in 2 days. So I think they kind of half, did it, if you know what I mean. Half A did it. I can't really say the word, but these companies are going to get your money. So that's why it's always best to learn how to do it yourself, but there's a risk involved when you try to work on a motor yourself and you're not 100% sure what you're doing, especially the bigger parts. And I can do all the basic stuff like change the gearbox oil and drain it, and the motor oil, like I said in some of my last videos. But I'm going to crank this up, and it sounds like, it's so loud, it sounds like a 250cc. I don't mind driving it loud, but I'm not going to get it fixed until I get more financially stable. They said I was fine to drive it, so we shall see. Listen to that. It's crazy. Very crazy, dude. Yeah, it sounds horrible. I mean, it'll get me around, but that's why you gotta be careful. Ask questions if you can, and you don't know how to put one of those big bore kits in. Always ask your dealer questions, even if they don't want to tell you, or act like they want to tell you for a business reason, just so they can get more money off of you. But like I said, it's best to learn how to do it yourself, so I'm hopefully going to get to that point. I'm probably going to have to. So, anyway, I hope you like this video, and take care. And this is AllLifeThings.Harris. Subscribe and like.